Volume of a square and rectangular pyramid. A pyramid is a solid figure with a polygon as its base and a triangular faces that meet at a single point called the apex. For a square pyramid, the base is a square. For a rectangular pyramid, the base is a rectangle. And here's the formula. V is equal to 1/3 B times H, where B is the area of the base and H is the height, V is the volume. Let us take this given example. Find the volume of the given square pyramid below. So here's the illustration. So first we're going to lay out our given. So our height here is 4 inches. So that is from the base to the apex of our pyramid. Our base here, remember that our base is the area. This B right here is the area of the base. So since the dimension of the base is 6 by 6 because it is a square, recall that in finding the area of a square, we will just simply multiply it by itself. So A is equal to S squared. So our S or side is 6. So replace it. So 6 inches times 6 inches, that is 36 inches squared. Remember that since you are looking for the area, the unit must be expressed in square. So the base or the area of the base is 36 inches squared. So we're going to find now the volume. Alright, so after laying down our given, we're going to write the formula. Then, replace these variables here. So write down 1/3. So our base here is 36 inches squared. Then our height is 4 inches. We will now multiply 1 times 36 times 4, and this gives us 144. So since you are looking for volume, our unit here must be expressed in cube. Alright, then finally, divide 144 by 3, and that is 48. So the volume is equal to 48 inches cube. Okay, so therefore the volume of a square pyramid is 48 inches cube or 48 cubic inches. In our given number 2, find the volume of the given rectangular pyramid. So in here, notice that the dimension of our base here is not the same. It is because the base is a rectangle. So our height here from the base going to the apex is 11 meters. The base here, since the base is the area, or this B here is the area of the base, and our base is a rectangle, recall that the area or the formula in solving for the area of a rectangle is length times width. So our length here is 8 meters, our width is 7 meters, 7 times 8 is 56 meters squared, and that is the area of our base, 56 meters squared. And our volume, that's what we're going to find. So after laying down the given, write the formula, write down 1/3, then our the area of our base here is 56 meters squared. The length of the height is 11 meters. So we will multiply 1 times 56 times 11, and this gives us 616 meters cubed. Then write down 3. Finally, 616 divided by 3, that is 205.33. Write down the unit meter cube. So our answer is, therefore, the volume of a rectangular pyramid is 205.33 cubic meters or meters cubed.